Welcome, Divine Detox Goddesses, to our first video. I'm Christine Odell, and I'm so delighted you are joining us for the Rock Your Detox 7-Day Challenge. And yes, you are a detox goddess, and I'm a detox goddess, because we are all on a divine path to create radiant health and an incredibly richer life, right? So I want you to get awesome results during the 7-Day Challenge, and here's how we're going to do that. Each day for 7 days, I will share a detox tip with a daily 5-minute video. And each day I will give you an action step to take to move you towards awesome detox results. The videos and action steps will only take you about 15 minutes a day. Is improving your health worth just 15 minutes a day? Because you deserve radiant health, and this 7-Day Challenge will help you step confidently onto your detox success path. Okay, just a few words about myself for those of you who don't know me yet. I'm a detox specialist with 25 years of experience as a women's wellness coach. I chose this career path because I had my own challenges with chronic and stubborn illness, including fibromyalgia, adrenal fatigue, and very frustrating digestive issues. And that's not to mention the constant anxiety, depression, pain, and exhaustion that kept me from doing the things I really wanted to do in my life. So my journey eventually brought me to the teachings, diet protocols, and incredible herbal creations of Dr. Robert Morse. And for the first time in my life, I got awesome results with this approach, way better than anything else I've ever tried. Now I show women like you how detoxification can change your health and your life. And along my detox journey, I created the Divine Detox Diet and the Simply Divine Detox Recipes ebook. Both of these detox diet resources are founded on Dr. Morse's teachings and diet protocols. And I'm really excited to announce that just recently, I created the brand new Divine Detox membership for women only, a place where you can learn about the Divine Detox Success Path program and how it can accelerate your detox and healing journey. So are you ready to rock your detox? Then let's get started. All right, today's challenge is to determine your detox why. And here's why you need to know your why. If you truly want to rock your detox, you must know why you want to create radiant health, what you want to do when you create radiant health, and how you will feel when you are perfectly healthy. I know that most of you are here to master your detox. And that's what I mean when I say let's rock your detox. You want to master the detox diet and lifestyle, stop struggling with cravings, and stop the emotional and social sabotage that knock you off the detox wagon. Now, once you create your detox why, I guarantee you will be more compelled to stay on your detox diet, and you will walk more confidently on your detox success path. So here's how you do this. I've created a special handout for you, and you'll find that link in this post. Read it over and then look at the template that I've provided for you. This is very easy to do if you just fill in the blanks. And I encourage you to put your detox why in writing. Fill it in and put it in a prominent place. It must be an everyday reminder if you want to rock your detox. I also encourage you to share your detox why in the comments of this Facebook post. Now, if you are a little shy or you want to keep it private, that's okay. But I do want everyone to comment and say that you have completed it. And please do make sure you complete this before you move on to the other videos and handouts. Because until you are crystal clear about why you want to create radiant health, it's likely that you will fall off the detox wagon over and over again. So go do that right now, and I'll see you again in tomorrow's video. I send you all my love, compassion, and hope for your healing. Namaste.